I will show you how to give HDR effect to your sunset photo. Click on the basic section at the beginning. Increase the tint to plus 42. Increase shadows to plus 100. Increase white to plus 35. Reduce black to minus 40. Increase the clarity to plus 21. Increase saturation to plus 9. Then click on the tone curve section. Click on the parametric curve icon. Increase the lights to plus 36. Reduce dark to minus 17. Then click on the SSL color section. Click on the all colors icon. Go to red and increase the saturation of red to plus 22. Go to orange. Increase the saturation of orange to plus 30. Go to yellow. Increase the saturation of yellow to plus 30. Go to green. Increase the saturation of green to plus 50. Go to blue. Increase the saturation of blue to plus 60. Go to purple. Increase the saturation of purple to plus 22. Go to magenta. Increase the saturation of magenta to plus 23. Then click on the details section. Increase the sharpening amount to plus 149. Then click on the lens correction section. Check the remove chromatic aberration. Then check the enable profile correction. Select Nikon from the lens profile. From the left side, click on preset. Click on the curve section. Click on lift shadow. Your photo is now HDR. Thanks for watching the video.